So at this point, we have created the missing value indicators, and we have already uh, imputed the variables either with the median, as in the variable gift average card 36, or the variable or the mean for the variable age. So having done that, we are ready to go ahead and start pre-processing the data and getting rid of the variables in order to create our model. So we're going to do two things. We're going to delete the variable target D, and we're also going to delete the variable ID. There are multiple ways to do that, and we use a dplyr function package. So using that package, you can use the select function. So you can do vet.data select. You have to put the data set, and then you have to put with minus signs the variable names. So that could be one way to do it. You can also use the variable, the subsetting method to get rid of these variables as well by knowing the column number. Or you can simply do vet data $ID and just set that variable to null, and null has to be in capital letters. So if you do vet data variable ID and set it to null, that actually, when you take a look back at the data set, that actually got rid of the variable. Now, these sometimes might take a little while to just name. In all of these methods might take a little while to just put every single one of those variables. So if you know the variable names, the variable numbers, that might sometimes be quicker. But either way is fine. So let's just get rid of these other variable as well. So let's do vet dot data $target D. Just set it to null. So now we should have the complete data set. The next thing we want to do is the target B variable. We want to have it changed to yes or no. It's supposed to have ones and zeros. And again, I remember that this process is not completely necessary if you're using the functions to create the models. But we're going to be using the caret package, and we might be better off just changing the right value to a categorical value. So let's do first of all, let's check this. Let's say let's put a table function for that variable, and we can see that we have zeros and ones. They are actually considered categorical. They are factors. But let's just do let's use a recode factor function. So let's say vet.data $target B, and let's set it. Let's use the recode factor, and that is from the package dplyr. And basically, we want to do recode this same variable, and let's say that 0 is equal to no, did not donate, and let's set 1 to be equal to yes. And again, you can write other things there like donated, did not donate. It's just to make it easier. So let's get back. We still have two levels. If we want to do the summary function of this variable, we should see that now we have no and yes, as opposed to zeros and ones. The partition is 50% no's and 50% yes. This data set has been oversampled. To make the imbalance of the data set to be more balanced, so that the algorithms we're going to use for predicting the likelihood that a donor donates is actually not overwhelmed by one of the categories.